Good evening, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching Classic Science, chapter number 9, Movement in Animal, part 15. So let's start, dear students. What's high order thinking skills? First question: why do you hear a sound when you crack your knuckles? Dear students, hint: what is present between the joints in a human body? Dear students, the proper sound heard when you crack the knuckles is due to bursting of gas bubbles formed between the joints. Dear students, in this way you have to write the answer. Question number second: is it possible to track cartilage in X-rays report? Question mark. Explain with example. Hence, what are X-ray rays? Dear students, X-ray reports produce image of a bones and cartilage. Cartilage are soft bone, hence it is possible to trace cartilage in an X-ray report. For example, X-ray of any joints reveals the structure of bones and cartilage present. So dear students, in this way you have to write the answer. Now come to the H section of this exercise. Write the types of joint below each. First, dear students, spinal cord and backbone right here. Next, dear students, hinge joint right here. Next, dear students, pivot joint right here. So right here, pivot joints. Dear students, stitch till H portion you have to do in your fair notebook. Now, dear students, come to the I section. Visit a gym and meet a bodybuilder. Discuss with him or her about how they build their muscles and what good foods habits they follow to build the strong muscles. Now collect the information and write a short note based on your discussion. Present information into the class. Dear students, you have to make a report on the. Dear students, we know very well bodybuilders are dear students, they are very careful about to their exercise and their food habits and their balanced diet. So dear students, you have to write a short notes about the why the exercise is necessary, how they use different type of exercise to build their body fit. So dear students, in this way you have to write a short notes about their diet, about their habits, about their, dear students, food habits, and dear student, about their exercise. So you have to write the short notes about the bodybuilders exercise and food habit. Now dear students, come to the J section, life skills. The key to the healthy body is exercise. Exercising makes our joints and muscles flexible. Dear students, if we are doing everyday exercise, so our definitely our joints and muscles will be flexible. Uplifts your mood, relieves stress, help to avoid illness and pain, improper your overall senses and well-being. In fact, exercise is a key of healthy and stressless life. Dear students, by this paragraph we learn that things that exercise is a key to the healthy and stress-free life. So dear students, we have to do exercise every day, and also good food and good food habit is also necessary. Now dear students, come to the case part of this exercise. Dear students, now find out the different body movement in the animals used to communicate. Collect the information about the animals given below: ant, honeybee, and the dogs. Dear students, animals generally communicate using the four methods: by visual, auditory, tactiles, and dear students, chemical. So dear students, ants send a tactile signals by the touching and stroking each other's body with their antennas and the four legs. Ants produce a high-pitched chirp known as, dear student, stridulations by rubbing together specialized body part on their abdomen, that is called flies and scabs. Dear students, if we talk about the honeybee communicate a dancing language. First walk straight ahead, vigorously shaking its abdomen and producing a buzzing sound. Now dear student, come to the dog. Can communicate its feeling. These are movement of eyes, ear, eyebrows, mouth, head, tail, and the body, as well as the bark and glows. So dear students, glows. Dear student, in this way these animals communicate. You have to also write a short note about these communication by the end, honeybee and the dog. So dear students, you have to do this part in your rough notebook I, J and K. Now dear students, turn your page. One worksheet is given also in page number, dear students, 122, page number 122. Dear students, now add some more actions to list the movements given below and write the name of the joints involved in each. Dear students, here action are given there. You have to write which joints is involved. Now dear students, first kicking a football. Dear students, ball and socket joints and hinge joints used for kicking a football. Second is delivering a cricket ball. Dear students, ball and socket joints. Third one, lifting an object from the floor. Dear students, here muscles are also be used and ball and socket joints are used. Now come to the fourth, writing in a notebook. Dear students, that is gliding joints are used. Eating food, dear students, lower and upper jaws, which is dear students, lower jaws is movable joints, whereas upper jaws is immovable. Dear students, so in this way you have to write here action in the 6, 7, 8. You can write any one actions and you have to write the joint here, the joint involves as it is. Dear students, so you have to fill this worksheet. So thank you students, stay home, be safe.